What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Looks like Dan is in the bad place where you spend lots of money. But hey, what are you gonna do? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I come bearing gifts.
Oh man.
ShopModernDiesel.com. Ooh!
Do I look sexy?
Okay, so there you go. This is your guys' update on the 330-ish thousand mile 6.7 blown up Powerstroke. Ronnie, this is how you put head studs on. This is proper torque, you know, just get your green snap-on gun, hammer them on, you're good to go. I'm kidding, don't listen to that. No, but seriously, so what did you guys do? You want to update the YouTube channel on what you guys did to the actual blown up engine here?
So, beautiful piece of machinery.
Hold on, wait, time out. I'm going to show them the cam first so they get a good picture of what exactly happened. So this is what happened after 330,000 miles. A lifter spun, dropped down, and basically just wrecked that cam lobe there. As you can see, the little divot. Everything else perfectly fine. Just so you can see right there, that's exactly what happened to the truck. Everything else was, how was everything else in the engine?
Some stuff that the previous person did taking it apart didn't look so good, like say the injection pump.
Okay.
Sorry, CP4.
And this is the,
yeah,
these are all the parts, right?
Nobody covered it up.
So they just tore everything down and threw it in the bed.
Yeah, and it looks exactly like that, and those pumps are they don't like any dirt or contamination. So
it really wasn't from the truck itself, it was from the teardown, and they just left it exposed to the elements.
Honestly, for a 300,000 mile engine, all the bearings, I mean, they were definitely had wear on them, but
they were okay.
Not bad. Like, I've seen worse from stuff that has a few passes on it. So
that's super cool. So what did you guys do? You guys, I mean, the engine's assembled, you're torquing the head studs now. I know that these aren't the heads. What did you put in them?
So we just re-bearinged it. So it's got new rings, new bearings. We used the pistons out of the rail because they're shaved.
Okay.
We still have the stock cam in it. We put Carrillos in it. Like the whole piston and connecting rod combo out of the rail. We slammed that in here because the power goal right now is like we don't know it. We don't know what we want to do exactly with it, so
right.
It's kind of test products, but it's definitely, you definitely should be over 1,000 more than once in its life, and it'll probably get sprayed pretty hard.
Heads, are these heads all they like custom factory? What do you got going on with the heads?
Factory heads.
Just factory heads, nothing special.
I think no, these aren't even ported.
Okay. Yeah, no, I don't think.
No, and the only thing that has is valve springs.
Okay, so your SPE spec valve springs, and then the rods and stuff that were out of the rail, the dragster, those were what, Carrillo rods and maul pistons?
Yeah, they were maul pistons. They were, cut down mauls. So.
Okay. So like Dan's spec.
Just drop the compression in a little bit.
Okay. So there you guys go. We have an assembled engine with the stuff out of the rail, internally wise. New bearings, but they use the Carrillo rods and the maul pistons out of the rail. The heads also off the rail. The only thing they did with those are the SPE spec valve springs.
And then I think the only other thing that we have like of ours in it is the billet glow pump gear.
Okay.
And I think we're thinking about running no glow plugs in it, like a glow plug.
Glow plug delete?
Yeah, I guess that's the right term for it. Just to see if it fires up in the winter.
So factory cam?
Yep, factory cam. Yep, actually it's I don't remember what engine it came out of, but
just
basically
one laying around.
we didn't even deck the block, nothing. We just kind of whizzy wheeled it, slammed a hone through the each cylinder. I mean, real quick too, like nothing crazy.
A dingleberry hone.
Not that actually. It's, I don't know what's that, but yeah, just kind of did a quick job on it. I mean, the cross hatching looked good. I mean, I'm just gonna see what it does.
So this is gonna be a real test on kind of what a 6.7 can do
Yeah, and
in its afterlife. This is a bring back to life kind of situation, and these aren't brand new parts. These are used parts.
yeah, I mean that's actually
minus the bearings and rings.
Yeah, that's just, I mean, you're in there, why not do it at that point?
Right.
It was funny because on the last video you had of this, somebody was like, oh, you know, 300,000 on this, like you could have like a duramax or cummins like with 1.4 like 1 million miles on it, whatever. Actually, it wasn't really the truck's fault that it failed. I don't know if you got on video of the oil. They like didn't change the oil for like 40,000 miles. It was like
wow.
8. Like oh shit! In the lifters, like there was like Torx bolts, and I had to dig it out with a screwdriver to like get my Torx bit in to take the rocker arms out. So yeah.
So this thing was really neglected, pretty much.
Yeah, I mean it's an oil-filled truck, and I don't know how many idle hours it had, but it had like, we don't know the exact interval of the oil change, but we know it's bad because the oil was like sludge.
Wow.
So it really wasn't the truck's fault that it failed.
Hey, we're making Powerstrokes great again.
I'm trying to.
So there you go, guys. This is a super in-depth look at the 330,000 mile blown up 6.7 Powerstroke from the man himself. Here is the old parts, the old cam, as you can see here. That is what happened. Maybe if the camera can focus, there you go. It's a little dished out. They're obviously going to replace all of that stuff there, and then hopefully we can see this thing running somewhat soon, and we'll really see what it can put down.
Hopefully, yeah.
There you go.
We have some plans.
We did forget to say that the engine does have ARP main studs, and they are doing ARP head studs, both new. Everything else though is what we just went through. Torque it. I like the look of this. 22x12s with Sonata 420s, looks good. Stock ride height, I think it looks pretty good. Are you going? It's a good looking truck. Alright guys, we are getting the heck out of SPE. The temperature dropped a lot. I can't wait for spring to really hit. We are starting our trek home. Probably got an hour-ish. Hopefully there's no traffic. But anyways, there is your update on the 330,000 mile 6.7 Powerstroke that is blown up. Those guys are really gonna test the platform there with all of those parts as described. It's gonna be super interesting, so stay tuned for some more updates on that truck. What do you guys think of my glasses? Do they make me look funny? I don't normally wear them too much in my videos. I am in the cool town of Latrobe right now. This is a super cool little town. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this area, but I'm usually coming through here in the dark, so it's pretty cool to see in the daylight. But all right, I am definitely rambling now. I am headed to the house. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Follow me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey. Check out some daily insights of whatever I'm doing that day and some behind the scenes look at whatever I'm doing to film these videos. But as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!